Hi, my name is Karen Bleifer, and I am the board president at Century Park East HOA, which is a two-tower luxury high-rise in Los Angeles. Well, I was always under the impression that earthquake policies had to be like a master policy where everyone was forced to participate in the cost, and it was cost prohibitive, honestly. Well, the thing I like the most is the people who really cared had the opportunity to opt in if they wanted to, and the people who didn't care or didn't want to participate weren't forced to. So it sort of made it a kind of no big deal for our budget sort of situation, and the people who were really interested in preserving their property values and preserving the future of their property would participate. Prior to going with Modus, we did do our due diligence and we did research a lot of different companies that offered earthquake policies for buildings such as ours. And the premiums were tremendously large that would require a dues increase or a special assessment annually just to pay for the policy premium, and would possibly offer us maybe a quarter or less of the coverage that we are now getting through Modus. I always purchased California Earthquake Authority for my unit, and I would just laugh every year when my insurance person would tell me, well, this is what you get, and this is how much your deductible is, and this is what you're going to walk away with. And that was just sad to me, but I wasn't going to say, okay, forget it. But Modus just made it so easy, and you can purchase as much as you want. So you're not forced to buy the premium or the platinum package. You can buy what you feel is appropriate for your unit. When we did have the meeting regarding Modus, a lot of people did want to know, why should I insure my unit and my next door neighbor isn't? And we tried to explain to them that it not only helps for what you have inside your unit, but it also helps for your portion of the common area, which is something that you will end up being assessed for if there was a catastrophic earthquake and we had to do an assessment to rebuild. Everybody's going to have to pay their portion of that assessment. And when you have Modus, you know that Modus is going to pay your portion of that assessment, which is what's so great about it. So I think Modus just checked all the boxes and really was so well catered to the Homeowners Association arena. I always recommend it to anybody I know that lives in an HOA.